Hi, hello, kamusta? It's another video by Christina. Sorry kung shaky yung voice ko. It's really cold. Today is April 3rd. It's our last day here in Busan. Ni-squeeze in lang namin tong trip sa Wave on Coffee. Mga 30 to 35 minutes via taxi ride from Haeundae Station. If bus or train, I'm not really sure kung paano. Weather update, it's 12 degrees here and in-underestimate ko na naman yung weather. Kasi si ate girl nyo, siya nag-thermal or heat tech, wala. Underneath yung jacket na to is yung long sleeves na manipis pa. Yung jeans ko wala ring thermal. At nagsisisi ako. Kasi papunta na rin kami ng Seoul after this. Sa Seoul kasi I think it's warmer compared sa Busan. Hindi na ako masyado nagdagdag or nag-layer. Huwag niyo akong gagayahin. This is a really nice place. Kung pupunta kayo ng Busan, make sure na isama niyo tong Wave on Coffee sa itinerary niyo or place to visit kasi it's really nice. Yun lang. Bye! See you in Seoul!